down here.
Tell me to go to sleep. You go to sleep. You get my elbows off of my face. I can't get elbows on my face.
They said it's gonna be a tornado. It's a tornado.
Chris.
Oh yes.